Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss how to use props in React Native, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about splitting the components into smaller components, right? So in this class, we will discuss how to use props, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you can see, in the previous class, we had split the component into smaller component, right? So we have included this goal item component, right? So and we have written this JSX code in this goal item, right? So in this we have written item data dot item dot text, right? So here we are displaying this item data, right? So this flat list is responsible for to render the each item data, right? This flat list is responsible for render the each item data. So in this app.tsx, we have written this item data, right? So but we are printing this JSX code, like we are printing this item, each item and this goal item, right? See, in this goal item, we are printing this each item, right? With this JSX code, we are printing the each item, right? But actually this flat list is giving this item data, right? So each time you'll get the item data, right? So this item data you have to pass to this goal item function. So how can you pass this, how can you pass that item data to this goal item? By using props, right? How can you send this item data to this goal item function, right? How can you send it? By using the props. I hope you understand, right? So in this flat list, we are getting this item data, right? So this item data you have to send to this goal item function. So how can you send it? By using props. So here you have to write props, right? Here you have to write the props. So instead of item data dot item dot text, I will write props dot text, right? So why I have written props dot text? Because in this goal item, I will write the prop as text, right? I hope you understand. So in this goal item component, I am passing this prop, right? So what I will pass? I will pass the each item. So item data dot item dot text, right? I hope you understand. So this item data, we are having this whole item, right? Right? So each item data is having the list of goals, right? So in that item is this thing. Item is this thing. So in this we have to access this text property, right? So that's why I have written item data dot item dot text. I hope you understand. And I have passed this like a prop to this goal item component, right? Right? So by using this prop can be accessed by using this props, right? I hope you understand. So whenever you pass this text prop to this goal item, right? So this goal item function can use that prop by using this props, right? You have to mention like this props in the parenthesis, right? So in that you have to access by using props.text, right? So here I have written, see in the goal item component I have written this text, right? So that's why I have written props.text. If I written something like item, so then you have to write props.item, right? So based upon the name, you have to write that name, right? So instead of item, I'll write text only. So I'll write here also text, right? So I hope you understand, right? Just I will write like I'll just run this program, right? So I'll click on A here and I will click on add. Sorry. So we are using this view and the text component, right? So that's why we have to import it. So here you have to write view and here you have to write text, right? So we are using this view and the text component, right? So here also you have to import it from the React Native, right? So now I'll just refresh it and I will write R here and click on add goal, right? You can see, right? It is adding, right? So in this way we can use the props, right? So what you have to do, first you have to write the prop as text, right? Equal to, in the flower brackets you have to mention item data dot item. So whatever the item which you want to pass to that goal item, right, you have to mention that, right? So here I am passing the item, right? So how can I access that item? By using item data dot text, then I will get the item, right? So by using this text prop I am passing this whole item, right, to this goal item. So in this goal item you can access it by using this props keyword, right? Then you have to write props dot text. So based upon the property, based upon the word which you have given to this prop, right? Based upon the word which you have given in this prop, with that word you can access it by using props dot text. I hope you understand how to use props. So I hope you understand this props, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I'll definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon, then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.